Align the handle with the top slot of the machine for upper body assembly. A click sound indicates successful installation. Open the multi-roller packaging, remove the roller, and ensure it is soft and moist. Do not discard the multi-roller packaging box. The multi-roller container can be used to soak or keep it moist. Press the button above the cover to open the cleaning head lid and remove the motor transport protection sponge and desiccant. When installing the multi-roller, lift the motor at an angle less than 45 degrees and avoid pulling it forcefully. Insert the multi-roller onto the motor, ensuring the non-clip side is flush with the machine's sidewall. Gently lift the roller, press the clip downward. Ensure the roller clip fits firmly, and press down the cleaning head lid to ensure it's locked. Insert the power adapter power cord into the base. Place accessories in their correct positions, and plug the power adapter into a power outlet. Align the machine with the charging port on the base. The first charge takes about 4 hours for a full charge, providing approximately 60 minutes of runtime.